Hi everyone, I am Chef Kai. Today I'm going to show how to make colorful fish balls. First, we need some fish. This is tuna and salmon, yellowtail, white tuna, and a red snapper. So we need to chop the fish. Okay, now we need ceramic and a little avocado. Get some tuna chop. And make it like a bowl. So here's tuna bowl. So you can make everything like a salmon bowl, yellowtail bowl, white tuna bowl, red snapper bowl, same as this one. We need to do some decoration. Easy decoration. Eel sauce. And a little sriracha sauce. Now it's a tuna bowl. So we put red tobacco, and black tobacco, a little scallion, green onion. Next one, we do salmon ball. We put ikura on top. Next one, we do eartail bowl. So we put jalapeno, one piece, sliced jalapeno, and a little green wasabi tropical. Next one, we do white tuna bowl. We cut small piece mango, just get couple small piece mango on top white tuna. And we put a little masago on top, white tuna balls. The last one we do red snapper bowl. After this, we get a little seaweed salad on top. And a little red tropical on top seaweed salad. So, colorful fish balls is done. This is tuna balls. This is salmon balls. This is yellowtail balls. This is red snapper ball. And a white tuna ball. Thank you. Thank you for watching.